Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn off emergency alerts on the mobile or on the Android. So the process is pretty simple. So to turn this off, you have to first of all go to your settings and you have to click on the search bar on the right top. Once you will search for it, you have to search for the emergency or the Amber Alerts. So once you will search for the emergency alert, you will see different options are appear. Select any and you will see wireless emergency alerts. Right now these are turned on, so simply you have to turn this off. You will see all the options are turned off, so you will not get any emergency alert. So this is the procedure to turn off emergency alerts on the Android. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.